Here are 2 reasons why today's mortgage rate trend is good for sellers. If you've been holding off selling your house to make a move because you felt mortgage rates were too high, the recent downward trend is exciting news for you. Mortgage rates have descended since last October when they hit 7.79%. In fact, they've been below 7% for over a month, as you can see here. And while they're not going back to the 3% we all saw during those unicorn years, they are expected to continue to go down from where they are now in the near future. As Dean Baker, he's the senior economist at the Center for Economic Research, explains, it also appears that mortgage rates are now falling again. They will almost certainly not fall to pandemic lows, although we may soon see rates under 6%, which would be great for low pre-Great Recession standards. Here are 2 reasons why the recent trend and the expectation it'll continue is such good news for you. You may not feel as locked into your current mortgage rate, with mortgage rates already significantly lower than they were just a few months ago. You may feel less locked into the current rate you have on your house. When mortgage rates were higher, moving into a new home meant possibly trading from a low rate up to almost 8%. However, with the rates dropping, the difference between your current mortgage rate and the new rate you'd be taking on isn't as big as it was, and that makes moving more affordable than it was just a few months ago. As Lance Lambert, founder of the Resi Club, explains, we might be at a peak lock-in effect. Some move-up or lifestyle sellers might be coming to terms with the fact that 3 and 4% mortgage rates aren't returning anytime soon. More buyers will be coming into the market according to the data from the Bright MLS. The top reasons why people have been waiting to take that plunge into home ownership is high interest rates, and this is something you can see here. Lower mortgage rates mean buyers can potentially save money on their home loans, making the prospect of purchasing a home more attractive and affordable. Now that rates are easing, more buyers are likely to feel they're ready to jump back into the market and make their move. And more buyers means more demand for your house. The bottom line is, if you've been waiting to sell because you didn't want to take on a larger mortgage rate, or you thought buyers weren't out there, the recent decline in mortgage rates may be a sign it's time to make a move. When you're ready, let's be sure to connect.